Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will show you how to view your card number on the Navy Federal Card Union app step by step. Whether it is a debit card or a credit card, we have got it covered. So let's get started without wasting any more time. First of all, you have to launch the Navy Federal app on your phone. And if you are using a PC, just go to their official website. Now you have to log in using your username and password or biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint. And then let's move forward to the next step. Tap the accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Then select the debit or credit card account you would like to view. Now you have to tap manage card. Here you will find the card number, expiration date and CVV number under the card details section. This area may require additional verification, Face ID or passcode for security. If you have a Navy Federal Visa card, you can tap the Visa logo in the top right corner of the app. This instantly brings up your card number and details. And if you have more than one card, just repeat the steps. That's it. Now if you're thinking about is it safe to view card info in the app, so the answer is absolutely yes. Navy Federal users advanced encryption, two-factor authentication, biometric security to ensure personal and financial data stays protected. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.